Hello traders. In this video I will review the Maserati EA Expert Advisor. This Expert Advisor runs on the gold ounce per US dollar pair. There are several things that I want to review in this video. In between. Okay, to get the whole information, make sure you watch until the end to get the real information. If you are a new viewer, you can subscribe to this channel and of course it's free. You will get a free Expert Advisor along with the reasons when I upload the video. Make sure you turn on notifications so you can find out every time I upload a video. One. About EA and the requirements for using EA. From the sources of information that I got, that Expert Advisors are made with years of research. This Expert Advisor is designed to run dynamically in every changing market condition. Made with the sophistication of artificial intelligence and using cyclic matrices and dynamic analysis. The advantage of using Expert Advisors is to control emotions when trading. One of the problems that are often experienced by Forex traders is the difficulty in controlling emotions when trading. Emotional factors such as fear and greed can influence trading decisions and result in losses. By using Expert Advisors, traders can remove emotional factors from trading decisions because EA only operates according to predefined rules. This makes trading decisions more objective and avoids impulsive decisions that may have a negative impact. Next is the recommendation to run this Expert Advisor best on the gold ounce per US dollar pair with the M30 time frame. Deposit capital of at least $100. I recommend several brokers here. If you are interested you can register from the link that I have provided. A good VPS is of course a VPS that has low latency. You can also register for the best VPS that I recommend from the link here. Download all the Expert Advisor and mshmg32.dll files that I have shared. Very easy to install Maserati Expert Advisor. Just put the mshmg32.dll file in your main folder to install MetaTrader. This is the mshmg32.dll file that I have placed in the MetaTrader main folder. After that you run the terminal and refresh the Expert Advisor menu. I will run Expert Advisor on PairXAU/USD with the M30 time frame. The preset that I use is the default preset. Okay, now the Maserati Forex Expert Advisor has been successfully implemented. Three. Information on trading results from MQL5. I took information on trading results from the Maserati Expert Advisor developer on the MQL5 site. The capital used here is $150 and has a profit of $80 and 88 cents or around 54%. Drawdown that occurred 9.2%. And it should be noted that the Maserati Expert Advisor has very little trading activity at 5.1%, meaning that Expert Advisors rarely open transactions. Growth information. Trading starts in February 2023. total profit of 53.92%. We will see the details of the drawdown information. Drawdown 9.20% if the equity is $13.80. Further trading history information. Lots opened from 0.06 lots to 0.08 lots. The resulting profit for 0.06 lots amounted to $18.54. It looks like the expert advisor will automatically add lots as equity grows. Statistical information. A total of only 4 new trading transactions. And the whole is closed with a profit, so that the current profit ratio is at 100%. The resulting profit factor has not been read. You can see here. On average, in one trading week only one transaction is opened. And the average holding time is 3 hours. The pair that runs is only the gold USD pair. There are several advantages of trading in the gold ounce per US dollar pair. In between them, the price of gold tends to rise when there is economic or geopolitical uncertainty, so that it can provide opportunities for profit. Liquidity. The gold ounce per US dollar market is one of the most liquid markets in the world, so traders can easily buy or sell their positions without worrying about being stuck in an illiquid position. Huge profit potential. The gold ounce per US dollar currency pair usually offers traders huge profit potential due to the large fluctuations in the price of gold. These large price movements can provide lucrative trading opportunities for experienced traders. Tradable 24 hours. The gold ounce per US dollar currency pair is traded 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, allowing traders to trade anytime, anywhere. This allows flexibility in trading for traders who have busy schedules. Safe as a value protector, gold is known as a good hedge against inflation and economic volatility. Therefore, trading gold ounce per US dollar can be considered as a safe form of investment in the long term. Okay, that's the video about the Maserati Expert Advisor review. I advise you to try it first on a demo account for at least 1 month. So you will know more about how this expert advisor works. And if you want to use real money, make sure to use safe money that doesn't interfere with your life, and it is not recommended to use bank loan money. The risks and profits are in your hands. Be wise in making decisions. I hope one day you can be financially successful. Thanks for watching till the end. Support this channel by clicking like and share. Thank you very much.